there isn't a person in the world who would turn down the chance to learn from Elon Musk. He does things that most people can only dream about. This is what makes him such a fantastic project manager and leader. Elon Musk is one of the most effective and innovative project managers on the planet at the moment. He has dedicated his life to innovation projects and creating new technologies for mankind. So, what can you learn from a project manager like Elon Musk? First one is being focused. Being focused, let Elon get things done by breaking up individual tasks in discrete intervals, separated by short breaks. It's a surprisingly effective way to retain motivation and focus. Create tasks, configure breaks, and track your progress throughout the day, week, or any other custom period. The second one is connecting ideas. While working on a project, it can sometimes feel as if every idea has already been thought, every solution is tested. Always looks for solutions through connecting ideas from various sources. Start connecting old ideas in new ways to find new and better solutions. Elon Musk's work shows the value of joining together two ideas to make something new. His work connects space travel with travel around the world, conversation with cars, and the human brain with computers. Some of the ideas might seem off the wall, but they're also incredibly intuitive and innovative. The third one is continuing learning. Learning shouldn't end when you leave school or university, and the same is true for project managers. Project's ecosystem is the habitat of several cultures, languages, and mindsets across several sites in a single organization. This demands the project manager to closely learn the project activities and identify any possible risks and look for solutions. This habit is vitally important for project success. Elon Musk is a fantastic example of this. He believes in constantly bettering himself, whether it's through extensive reading or by experimenting with new technologies. The fourth one is forming a great team. No matter what project you are working on, or what you need to do, you can always do it better with a great team. Elon Musk mentioned that hiring the wrong person for a job can be catastrophic in terms of the amount of money and time wasted. That's why he interviews new employees personally, to make sure the right people are hired, according to his requirements and vision. The fifth one is seeking critics' opinions. Most project managers are afraid of criticism, but Elon Musk seeks it out as a way to improve his business and his ideas. In his own words, he claims, constantly seek criticism. A well-thought-out critique of whatever you're doing is as valuable as gold. Criticism, if taken in the right spirit, can teach you what you're lacking. It can point you toward the weaknesses you need to change. To apply this in your project work, ask the project team member for honest feedback about the project, and you as well. Ensure that you're in the right frame of mind beforehand, so you don't take things otherwise. Seeking opinions, and working on them, is key for a successful project management career. The sixth lesson is having a long-term vision and project goal in your mind. You should share it with your teams, and plan a path on how they are going to achieve it. This way you would influence people in your team, and people can align their effort with the goal. Elon Musk, as successful leaders, have a revolutionary vision. Not only do their ideas have a positive effect, they completely change the way the industry works. He co-founded PayPal, and transformed the industry of money transfer across the world. Therefore, Elon teaches us the lesson of having a vision that is transformational and powerful. Seventh is the ruthless execution of the plan. Once you finish your planning, the success of the project will depend on how well your plan is executed. The plan that receives no action remains simply a wish. Elon Musk indicates that you need to have an innovative team to execute your ideas. With their participation, you can come up with business models that are solid. This will lead to healthy financial returns and eventually successful execution of your vision. 8.1 is practicing integrity and work ethics. It is necessary that a team works in unison, otherwise, the project will be chaotic. The project manager has to be fair and just in the way he treats the project team. Many times, conflict arises due to differences of opinion. Project managers need to tackle the issue and maintain harmony in the team. To develop his electric car company known as Tesla, Elon Musk borrowed heavily from the US government. The company has become a huge success and is selling thousands of units. After making a good revenue, Elon paid back his $400 million loans. Ninth is focusing on the important activity. The project manager should never underestimate the power of focus. It is better to focus your effort on delivering your services instead of focusing your effort on non-productive efforts. Elon specifically indicates that he would rather undermarket a revolutionary product than promote a mediocre one. Apply this lesson to your project, and it can increase the quality of your products or services. The 10th is factoring in possible failure in your plans and coming up with a backup plan. The main reason why we don't do what we desire is that we are afraid of failure. Instead of letting this fear stop you, you should acknowledge it and come up with a plan to handle its effects. Before he started the SpaceX program, Elon Musk dedicated $100 million to the endeavor. He said that if he failed to launch a rocket into space with that budget, he would shut down operations and shelve the idea. His first 2 launches cost him $90 million, and they both failed. The third one cost him $10 million, and it succeeded. So, these are the top 10 lessons you can apply to your projects and become a better project manager. Tell me which lesson do you like most by leaving comment right below. And, if you would like to know more about project management, visit us at projectsmind.com. At projectsmind.com, we support project people in all the amazing work they do every day. Our objective is to provide access to world-class project management education for anyone, anywhere in the world for free. The concepts you will learn are applicable to all projects, from Fortune 500 firms to all the way to your own home. And, don't forget to hit subscribe button below to see our latest videos when they come out. See you later, and bye for now.